The government has now approved 2 new vaccines along with an antiviral drug that is Molnupiravir for emergency use, which comes at a critical time amid the spike in the Omicron cases. Our next explainer gets you more.
An expert panel of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, or the CDSCO, on Monday recommended granting permission to manufacture and market anti-COVID pill Molnupiravir for restricted emergency use for treatment of COVID-19 patients in the country. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, in consortium with Cipla, Mylan Torrent, Emcure and Sun Pharma, had presented the proposal for the approval of Molnupiravir 200 mg capsules. Now, these 5 firms sought approval for the oral antiviral in the emergency situation, along with various supporting documents, including clinical data in the country. The antiviral drug Molnupiravir is taken orally, which was originally developed to treat influenza patients. The molecules of Molnupiravir are absorbed by the virus-infected cells and blocks the RNA, because of which the reproduction of the virus is disrupted and keeps the viral load low. Also, in a clinical trial of high-risk people during the early course of the illness, Merck's drug was shown to reduce hospitalizations and deaths by around 30%. The emergency use of the drug will also be used to treat adult COVID-19 patients with oxygen saturation at 93% and who have had high risk of progression of the disease, including hospitalization or death subject to certain conditions. As per conditions, the drug can be sold in retail only under the prescription of a medical specialist. The pill is intended to be taken twice a day for 5 days by people at home with mild to moderate COVID-19. The US Food and Drug Administration recently authorized Merck's Molnupiravir for treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 cases in adults who are at severe risk for the disease. Now, before that, in November, Britain also granted conditional authorization to Merck's coronavirus antiviral, the first pill shown to successfully treat coronavirus.